In this video I will show you how to create a user in the Windows 11 operating system. Right-click on the Start menu and open Computer Management. Then open Local Users and Computers. Then open Users. From here, if you right-click, you will see New User. If you click on it, you will see a new window. This is where you create a new user. Here, in the username field, you should enter the username you want to create. The full name and description fields are optional and can be entered if needed. The description field is used to provide some details about the user, for example, to know which section of a company this user was created for. I will give a username here. After that I have to give a password. It says user must change password at next logon. What is this? The reason is that this user is being created by administrator now, so the administrator will enter the password of the server. If you click this checkbox, the new user will have the opportunity to change the password the next time the user logs in. If you enable user cannot change password, the user will never be able to change the password later. If you enable password never expires, the password will never expire. Account is disabled. If you want to disable a user account for any reason, just enable this checkbox. Set these options according to your needs. I am creating this user by clicking the Create button here. Now if I press the Close button, I will see the user I created here. After that, I need to log out this user. The next time the logon window comes up, the created user will be shown there. Let's see how to create a group in the Windows operating system and how to add a user to a group. Right-click on the Start menu and open Computer Management. Then open Local Users and Groups, and open the users. Here we see a user that we have created. If we take this user property, we can see a group called Users in the Member of tab. This is a group that already exists in the Windows operating system. All users that are created will be members of this group. Right here, we can make this user a member of another group. For that, click on the Add button, and then click on the Advanced button. Here you will see Find Now. If you click on this, the entire group in our system will be displayed. I want to add this user to the Administrators group. Here we can see the Administrators group. After selecting that group, press the OK button. After that, by applying this user will be added to the Administrators group. This will make this user a user with administrator privileges. You can also remove a user from a group from the same location. To do this, simply select that group and press the Remove button. You can add and remove a user from the group in the same way. To do this, open Groups. Select the group to which you want to add the user. Right-click on it, and then click Add to Group. Adding a user to a group is done in the same way as adding a group to a user. Previously we were looking for a group, but now we need to find a user. After selecting the user you want to add to the group, press OK to apply. Just like we removed the group from the user earlier, here we can remove the required user from the group. There are many groups created for various purposes in the Windows operating system. Each of these groups is assigned its own permissions. When creating a user, the administrator really has to learn which group to add that user to. In addition to the default group, we can create our own groups. If we have several departments in our company, the administrator can create a group for each department and assign different permissions to each group. I created a group here called Accounts and gave it the description Finance. Then press the Create button. We can create and view the group here. We have already learned how to add users to the group. We will add more videos about groups and users to our channel.